Sophtone is based on answering machine detection, or AMD, which allows us to determine if a human or a machine answered the call. In sum, Sophtone listens during the first few seconds of the phone call for human or machine voice patterns before making a determination. This feature allows you to craft your message more specifically based on who or what answered the call. AMD is only 94% accurate and false positives do happen a small percentage of the time. If Sophtone cannot determine if a human or a machine answered the call, then the machine call instructions below will be used by default. And this is worth repeating. If Sophtone cannot determine who or what answered the phone call, then the machine call instructions below will be used. If you would like for a human to provide input, you may click the Add hyperlink here and specify the input or the digit you want the human to press. If you expect input, you must use the words press followed by the digit somewhere in your message or your pre-recorded audio file. Otherwise, the recipient of the phone call will not know to press anything. So, if you want a human to press 1, for example, you must add press 1 somewhere in your message. Wildcards allow you to individualize your messages and can be very useful if you know something about the person or the business you're calling. So, for example, if you know the phone number you're calling belongs to John Smith, and you know that John Smith just purchased a brand new refrigerator from your company, you could reference your wildcards as shown here, which will translate into, "Hello, John Smith. Thank you for purchasing a new refrigerator from Appliance Warehouse. Please press 1 to learn more about our extended warranty plan." You may repeat your message up to 10 times. The first cycle of the message is excluded from the repeat count. So if you ask Sophtone to repeat a message 2 times, the message will be communicated a total of 3 times. If input is received, you may choose to simply report the input, or you may want to dial another phone number. The dialed call could route to a customer service department, your personal phone number, or anywhere else that suits your purposes. If the connecting call is answered, then the two parties are connected, and the call will continue until either party hangs up. Sophtone bills connecting calls as a separate or independent phone call.